Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup look using the Truly Madly Deep palette from Colourpop, along with some new lippies that I got from Colourpop and Maybelline, and a new setting spray along from Colourpop. This video is not sponsored by Colourpop in no way, shape, or form, but these were the new items that I saw at Ulta that sparked my interest. Now originally I was going to pick up the Amrezy palette, but I know you guys seen like a million trillion videos of people using that palette, so I just wanted to use something different for Valentine's Day. This is going to be more focused on the eyes, so you guys will not see me doing my my face makeup on camera, but as always I'll link everything down below if you guys wanted to see it. It's the same products I use constantly, so that's something boring, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. But before we move on into the eye tutorial, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and like this video as well. So without further ado, let's get into this Valentine's Day look. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is take some eye primer. I'm going to take the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer and prime the eyelids. Okay, so now you can set it. I know some people don't like to set it, some people do. In this case, I probably should set it just because y'all know I don't like this. I really don't like this eyeshadow primer, but it's in this it's in here, so I'm going to use it. But I'm just going to take some of my Fit Me powder and just tap that over the eyes. So now we're going to hop into the Truly Madly Deeply palette from Colourpop. And this is what the inside looks like. There is no mirror here, so you don't have to worry about that when you move out of my face. So these are the colors here. There are 3 pressed powders in here. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe look like 4 or 5 shimmers. And the rest are mattes. I mean, there's like 2 in here that looks like they have like a tiny bit of shimmers in there, but for the most part, the rest of the shadows are matte. But anywho, so I'm going to find me So I have like this little brush here from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm going to go into the color. I'm gonna go to the color Cutouts and use that as my crease color. Oh, I forgot you guys. So because this is Valentine's Day and we going like super glam, I'm gonna go old school and take some tape and use that so I can have a sharp edge for my makeup. Okay, back to blending. Okay, so now this is what you should have. Now I will say, depending on the type of primer you have, it probably won't react like mine, but mine did come out kind of patchy in the beginning, so I just had to build it up to get my desired payoff color and for me to blend in whatever, you know, was missing. So now I'm going to take another blending brush, but maybe something more pointed. Let me see if I can find one. I mean, this is not pointed, but it is a little bit more pointed than the last one. And I'm going to go into the color Poodle, which is right underneath of it, and put that underneath of the cutout color. Okay, so what you guys just saw me do was basically go back and forth with those two colors, cut out and poodle, just to make sure they blend together, make sure there was no harsh lines, and just that everything looked good. And if the color needed to be built up, I just built it up. So it's a lot of blending when it comes to these glam looks, I will say. So now we're gonna work on the outer edge. I'm gonna move this a tad bit down just because we're about to really focus on the outer edge now. Now I know I told you guys in the last video that I really don't like the color purple like that, but purple calls for this look. So for the purple color, we're gonna hop into Jackpot first, maybe. Well, Jackpot is a shimmer, so no, we're gonna hop in too much. We're gonna hop in too much, and I'm taking this dome brush here, and we're just going to focus that on our outer corners. Now I'm going to take a clean, so I feel like I need way more blending brushes than I have, but we're going to take another blending brush, a clean one, and basically we're just going to merge all of these colors together. So now, time for the start of the show. Oh, wait, let me blend this. Kind of crazy. Okay, so now, like I was saying, time for the start of the show. So looking at this palette and the three pressed powders in here, which is Hungry Ghost, Renegade, and Indio, which obviously Hungry Ghost is more of a white pressed powder with like greenish shimmer. Then we have Indio, which is more of a pinky purple color, and then Renegade is a gold with specks of green and looks like specks of green and pink and purple in it. But I was automatically drawn to this color here, so I'm gonna go with my finger first, even though I have long behind nails. So we're gonna see if I can do it without a brush. But if I need a brush, taking my handy dandy angled brush from Amazon, and we're just going to use that. And we're also going to see if I need to use a glitter glue. If not, then we're good to go. If we do have to use the glitter glue, I'm just going to use my NYX glitter primer. But first, let's start with that one. So here we go. So be careful, it is very messy because it is a pressed glitter and it's not really sticking to my brush. So I'm going to spray it with my Mario Badescu facial spray. Let's spray it first and see if it sticks better. Not really. So I can already tell this is not one where a brush is going to work. I'm gonna have to use my finger. Okay, now take your brush again, which is another reason why you guys should do your eyes first. In this instance, it's because we are using glitter, so I do have some glitter particles underneath of my eye. Hopefully I can just wipe that away when I put on my eye makeup. My face makeup. But yeah, so now we're just basically going to go back and forth and just try to fix everything that that possibly might need to be fixed. So we couldn't use it for the glitter, but we all can use it for our highlight, for the brow bone, and for the inner corner. So I'm going to take the color Sweet Dreams, which is right here, which is like a shimmery gold. Okay. Now for the bottom row. Now for the bottom lashes, I think we're going to use the purple again. We can move this now. Look how sharp that is. We're just gonna clean this up a little bit. You know, just clean this up just a tad bit. But yeah, so for the bottom lashes, we're going to use the purple on the outer end and poodle in the for the rest of the eye. I'm sorry, you guys. For some reason, I cannot get my words out, and it's getting on my nerves. So please bear with me. So since this is a dramatic look, we need some dramatic lashes. So I think I'm going to use my E.L.Fs. No, I think I'm gonna use my E9s just because they are as dramatic can come. So I'm going to throw those on. I'm going to throw on some black eyeliner and some mascara. I'm also going to do this eye off camera, and we'll be back to do the lip. Okay guys, so we are back. So the face and the eyes are basically done. So this is what the eyes are looking like. Now I know this might be kind of dramatic for you guys, but I mean, like I said, it's Valentine's Day, so you need to go all out. So yes, the lashes are out there, so you can tone the lashes down. You can tone actually this makeup down if you want to make it more wearable, maybe for work or something like that. Maybe you're going out after work, so you just want to tone it down a little bit, so you can just X out the glitter in all general and just do the pink and purple, or just do all pink in the crease with a blank eye and some mineral lashes. But you know, but it's up to you. But I'm extra, so I will actually wear this to work. Who gonna check me, boo? So yeah. So what I am going to try new is this Pretty Fresh HA Setting Mist. I see a lot of people talking about it, how good it is and whatnot. So I wanted to give it a try myself. So we're going to set our makeup to actually melt all this in. And I have combo skin, so this will be good for me as well, just because I do have like dry patches and stuff like that. So this will be able to eliminate the dry patches. It do smells really good. Definitely smells like coconut. I'm not a huge fan of coconut in general, but I like it. But lastly, now all we have to do is work on the lips. So I brought the Colourpop XO lippy kit. So it comes with a primer. So it comes with a lip primer as normal. Really doesn't make my lips like very smooth or anything, but it's a primer, so you know. So then it also comes with a lippy pencil in the color Shot Clock, and this is what that looks like here. So it's like a mauvey pink color. And always just have a brown lip liner just in case you might need to, you know, fix some things up. So let me actually grab a, that's not really brown. Okay, so I have my brown lip liner just in case I need to touch some things up. And it also comes with a lippy stick in the color, what color is this? and also in the color Aftershock. So you could leave it like this. This is a matte, you know. I am going to also throw in some brown lip liner just to, you know, every girl of color just needs a brown lip liner for any color, don't care what it is. You see how the brown just tones it down just a tad bit, but like I said, it is a matte, so you could leave it like this if you're a matte girl, but I am a glossy girl. So I'm going to try this new Milani lip gloss in the color 120. She's All That. The name of this thing is called the Ludicrous Lip Gloss, and it has like a pointed tip color right here, and online it is described as a peachy nude. It does have this smell, it has like a fruity smell. It smells so good though. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh. Can you say we are gonna be super glam? And I have this shirt on, which you guys saw in my last video, where I showed you guys the 4 pieces that I obviously picked up from Pretty Little Thing. But yeah, imagine all of this dolled up, ready to go out. It's just, oh, it's so cute to me. Oh, I love it. I freaking love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys liked it. I know this video was basically focused on one eye, not the whole shebang, but I mean, I didn't want to repeat the same thing I did on this eye, you know, just to save us some time and whatnot, because I know some people like long videos, some people don't. I'm trying to find a happy medium. Yeah, plus I have a long video coming up at the end of this month, because when I do my February recaps, I like to talk a lot. So that's that on that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, thumbs up this video for more, and don't forget to check out the last 2 videos that will pop up on your screen somewhere around here. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.